87. 1987 Dodge Ram 1500. Really clean truck. What we got done on it, it's got factory Y pipe and cats. Then we put like a Flow FX or a MagnaFlow knockoff, and then a Y pipe 2 1/4 to 2 1/4 all the way back, custom bent all the way back right there, and then into 3-inch tips, straight cuts right there and right there. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it.
Hit the gas twice.
Where's that kid? Very nice. Really nice, really clean. So it's a 87 with a 318 barrel. Still really clean truck. Beautiful.